Pag sumusulat ako ng isang horror material, usually naka-anchor sa isang singular horror element. Dito sa Third Eye, I was able to think of a way to fuse parang two different sources of parang horror element. Kunyari, multo. Or kung gusto mo naman ng creatures tungkol sa mga aswang kunyari. So, abangan na lang nila kung paano namin na-fuse itong dalawang elements na to in creating an atmosphere of horror and terror and suspense.
I never told you na nakakakita ako ng ghosts when I was a kid.
Kaluluwa ka lang. You can't do anything to me. Leave me alone!
Mylene, you are being paranoid.
Actually, ito yung pangalawa kong horror movie na nagawa. So far, ang kaibahan lang dito, mas maraming action, mas action-packed siya. So, mas maraming habulan, mas maraming car scenes, car chase, ganon. So, mas madugo siya, itong movie na to.
Nakakita na ako ng alay para sa inyo.
Unang-una dito, siguro the story is really very good. The actors are very good. Pangatlo siguro, I would say na this would be the first time that you would see me as an evil person. Hindi ako nakakaawa dito, hindi ako umiiyak dito. Ako ang nagpapaiyak, ako ang nagbibigay ng takot sa kanila.
Paano ba palabas dito? We have to get out of here.
Yung mga eksena na talagang suspense, yung talagang aabangan mo na pag nasa sinihan ka, mapapayakap ko sa katabi mo.
Si Janet. Asan si Janet?
It's always great working with Carla. EJ, it's my first time to work with him, and he was such a gentleman. Thank you. But with Carla, it's really exciting because it's our first time to work together professionally. It's really cool to see her at her craft. Magaling siya.
Sa pelikula na ito, mas more on physicality. So, kailangan ko talaga i-manifest yung pagiging supernatural.
Kaluluwa ka lang! Tigilan mo na ako! Leave me alone!
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin ng pelikula namin, ang Third Eye.
With Carla Abellana, Denise Naudel, EJ Falcon, Alex Medina, directed by Direk Aloy Adlawan.
Ang pambungad ng Regal Films sa 2014, abangan niyo po yan coming soon.
Third Eye.